Hello Internet! Let's go to Bondi Beach! Tara! Let's ride a bus papuntang Bondi Beach! Excuse me, is this going to Bondi Beach?
Yes, mate.
Thank you.
Yes.
For those remaining Champions League spots.
We're on our way now towards the Bondi Beach. Galing tayo kanina sa Bondi Junction. So, we'll do a 5 to 10 minutes bus ride going to the crossing ng Bondi Beach. And here we are now. Bumaba na tayo sa bus and we'll start our walking tour from here. So we will traverse the coastal area of the Bondi Beach. So ito yung entrance area. So actually I'm just doing a shortcut. Okay, so tayo naglalakad na dito sa area ng Bondi Beach. Actually, nasa gitna tayo ngayon. Itong left side na to, ito yung set na actually nung TV series na Bondi Beach. So dito ginanap yung filming of that TV series. So ito naman is it's a hotel. So itong way na to, ito yung walkway papuntang Bondi Beach and the Tamarama Beach. So today we're going to do a walking tour towards the Tamarama Beach. So dito muna tayo sa iceberg. So ito yung famous iceberg pool here in the Bondi. So yun yung overlooking ng Bondi Beach. So I've said yan yung location set ng TV series na The Bondi Beach. So ito namang icebergs is actually it's a private pool, so you can actually swim there for a fee. So right now we're heading towards the coastal walkway towards the Tamarama Beach. So maglalakad-lakad lang tayo ngayon. I think it's close to 2 to 3 kilometers yung lalakarin natin. We'll just do the coastal walking. And kaya kung kayo ay coastal nature lover, you will really appreciate the place. Kasi ang gaganda ng mga rock formations. So ito, kung makikita nyo, ang gaganda, you will really appreciate this century-old rock formation. You can say really it's out of this world. Plus the the surroundings na napakalinis, napakaganda ng tanawin. You will really appreciate the beauty of nature here in the Bondi Beach area. So tayo ay patuloy lang na naglalakad as we go through passing our way towards other beaches. Basta yung endpoint natin ngayon is the Tamarama Beach. So this is another rock formation here. You will really appreciate again. You will be mesmerized, surreal, the place, the scenery, and the you can really appreciate what God has put up here. So pwede ka nga magtambay rito. You do some, yung mga muni-muni mo in life. So, right now, we'll just continue our walking towards this walkway ng Bondi Beach. So, enjoy lang kayo guys sa views and the sceneries. So, ito na yung ating endpoint ng ating coastal walking tour. Andito na tayo ngayon sa Tamarama Beach. And thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Thanks.